In this video, I've got an update for you on my affiliate marketing website, bestroofbox.com. For those of you that are new here, I created the website back in March 2019. So in a couple of months' time, it will be hitting its second birthday. And I created a video around exactly how I put the site together. Put a link up to that video now, you can go check it out. And then since then, I've been kind of documenting and sharing with you guys the progress of the site, all the work I'm doing on the site, and of course, how much money the site's been earning. I put all those videos in a playlist, and I'll put a link to that up there as well. You'll also find links to everything I talk about in this video in the description. In this video, as usual, I will be sharing the latest income. I'll be letting you know how much the site generated in December, as well as the latest traffic figures. I'll also be showing you some of the recent content that I've been adding to the site, and I've got an update on the Skyscraper link building campaign that the guys over at Niche Website Builders have been running for me. So that's quite a bit to get through, so we should get started. Let's go! Hello, it's Alex here. Happy New Year! Hope you're doing okay. 2021 has not exactly started off on the right foot. We're in lockdown here in the UK. Coronavirus is still kind of spreading like wildfire. So yeah, we're stuck in. I've got the kids here. We're doing homeschooling and yeah, it's all good fun. But hey, let's remain optimistic and let's just say Happy New Year. And yeah, I hope this one's going to be a good one. So let's jump into some figures. Let's start with traffic. I'll put the analytics up now. And it's looking pretty good. We can see that in December, we had 17,942 users, which is up 29% on November. So that's fantastic. Those of you that watch these updates every month will know that traffic had taken a bit of a downward turn and we were, in decline for a few months, but it seems to have turned a corner and we're going back up again. Now, this could be down to seasonality and that people are kind of thinking about their spring trips or whatever, and they're starting to look at roof boxes. But for whatever reason, traffic is up and it's up pretty well. As well as the users being up, page views are also up. Take a look at them. We can see that we had 29,798 page views, which is up 21% on November's figures. Another very positive increase is the organic search metric. If we take a look at that, we can see that we had 14,378 users, which is up 33% on November. So yeah, organic search is on the up, which is great because that's the main source of traffic to the site. If we drill into the organic search data and have a look at Webmaster Console, we can see that the metrics in there are also looking good. We can see that impressions and clicks are both up, which I guess you'd expect as we've had more traffic from organic search. But another good indication that things are heading in the right direction is that the position, that's the average position, is up a whole one place across all the keywords that the site ranks for. So that just basically implies that the site is moving up the rankings across most of its keywords. So let's talk about the money. Has this extra traffic generated more revenue? Well, yeah, it has. Now, of course, Christmas is generally a busy period for shoppers. And of course, I earn commission on lots of different things because people tend to visit my site and they click through and then they buy all sorts of things from Amazon, not just roof boxes. And of course, I earn a commission on all of that. But yeah, let's take a look at the Amazon figures and we can see that for Amazon.com in December, we generated $898.16, which is really good. For Amazon.co.uk, we had £87.50, which at the current exchange rate is $118. For Amazon Canada, this one was down quite a bit actually. We only had $4.98. That's $4 Canadian dollars and 98 cents, which translates into $3 American dollars and 92 cents. So if we add all of those Amazon figures together, we get a grand total of $1,020.08. So that's up on last month. Last month we came in around $860, so remember, from Amazon. So yeah, I'm really pleased with that result. The site is also monetized with Ezoic ads. And if we take a look at that, we can see that for the month, We had $302.92 generated by the Ezoic ads, which is really good. One thing I will say regarding the Ezoic ads, they've been on site a little while now, and I visited the site the other day and there was like ads everywhere on a piece of content that I was checking out. Too many ads for my liking, I've got to say, and those of you that are regulars to the channel will know how I feel about ads. That I know that they need to be there in order to generate revenue, but I don't want them turning my sites into a dog's dinner. So I've made a few adjustments on the Ezoic ads. I've basically reduced the number of ads that are going to be showing within the content and around the content. So, I mean, we'll wait and see what effect that has on the revenue next month. I've only just made the change. But personally, I think the site looks a bit better. And there's still quite a few ads on there, but there was just too many. There was too many. So the great thing about Ezoic is they give you a little kind of Chrome extension plugin thing so that you can visit your site and you can turn off and turn on different ad placements. So you get a lot of control over where your ads are showing. So yeah, I made a few adjustments, and of course I'll let you know how they have affected the revenue in next month's update. So let's add the Ezoic figure onto the Amazon figure. That gives us a grand total of $1,323 in December, which is fantastic. Now, over the last month or so, we have been very busy adding more content to the site. When I say we, my fantastic writers and editor have. They've been really busy. And what we've been doing is adding some shorter articles. I think this is the way to go in 2021. Rather than feeling that you have to write, huge long essays about every single keyword that you're trying to rank for, I've changed tack and I'm starting to create content that is shorter, that is more focused, and that is basically a lot cheaper and quicker and easier to create. The most recent content that we've been putting together uses the AAWP plugin, which is one of my favorite plugins for Amazon affiliates and for WordPress. It basically allows you to pull down information from Amazon using their API. So it's great for putting tables together or just kind of pulling down images, product descriptions, all that kind of thing, and prices, I should say. In fact, I did a video on it a little while ago on exactly how you can use it. Put a link to that up there. Oh, I can't talk. Yeah, go check that out. It's a really good plugin. And yeah, what we've been doing is we've been writing a short introduction, a short summary, and then we've been filling out the rest of the article with AAWP stuff. So we've been creating a table, we've been pulling down images and descriptions, and yeah, it seems to be working really well. And of course, it's a really quick way of adding content. Does this content rank? Well, yeah, it does rank. It ranks really well. First page for the main keywords, which I should say are long tail keywords. The articles that we're adding at the moment are targeting all the different types of cars that are available in the US. So if someone types in, for example, Acura, I still don't know how to say that, Acura RDX roof box, the articles come up, or my articles come up. Or in fact, the article related to that particular car comes up, as you can see. And yeah, I've tested this across a few different keywords and a few different articles, and they all seem to be on page one. So this is fantastic because it means I don't have to pay my writers very much, because all they have to do is write an introduction and a summary. And my editor can quickly put the articles on the site using AAWP, and it's a win-win. So yeah, it's going to be a really quick way to populate the site with lots and lots of content for all the different types of cars that are available in the US. Speaking of lots and lots of content, the actual total in terms of the number of articles that I've got on the site now is 219, which is loads. I never thought we'd add this much content. And there's still a whole load more being written and added right now. So I'm pretty sure that we're going to be able to capture all of those long tail searches around all of the different types of cars. The final thing that I want to share with you today is an update on the Shotgun Skyscraper link building campaign that the guys over at Niche Website Builders have been running for me. So let me just remind you what that actually is. Basically, the guys over at Niche Website Builders created a fantastic article for the site, and they published it. It was really long, it was well written, it's got loads of custom illustrations on it. And yeah, they published it to the site, and then they went out and started approaching different sites, asking them if they would like to link to this fantastic article. And who wouldn't? I mean, the article is such good quality that webmasters, they just can't resist to link to it. So the article's been up about 2 months and the outreach is well underway and the links are already starting to come in. So to check the links that were coming to the site, I've been using the fantastic Ahrefs, which is a great tool for doing keyword research and tracking your rankings, tracking your keywords, tracking your inbound links, and indeed your outbound links, I think. And well, if we take a look, we can see that there's been 17 new links to that article that they created for me and added to my site, and they're actually pretty good. The domain rating of the links that were generated goes from 58, which is pretty high, down to 7, but the majority of the links were over 30 when it comes to domain rating, so they're all kind of good quality, powerful links. I've had a look at a few of the links, and the sites that are linking through seem to be of pretty good quality. They're not, spammy, horrible types of sites. They all seem really good. So yeah, I'm pleased with that. And in terms of the effect that it's had on the domain rating of bestroofbox.com, well, it's shot up. We're now got a domain rating of 55. And I think the links that they've been building to my site have definitely helped with that. And in fact, I think the links have probably helped with that increase in organic traffic that we saw earlier within analytics and within Webmaster Console. So I'm really pleased with that. I think they're going to be sending me a full report of exactly what's been going on very soon. In fact, I think I've already got access to it. I've just lost the link to the dashboard. So I'll do a full update on that in next month's video. If you'd like to get yourself a Skyscraper link building campaign for your website, then do check out the link. I'll put it there, and if I've got any cards left, I'll put it up in a card. And also in the description. It's an affiliate link, so I will earn a commission if you do sign up with them, but they are highly recommended. They offer some other services as well, including creating websites fully, like a full, ready-to-go affiliate website, packed full of content. They do that. They also will do content if you just want content. And of course, the link building campaign that I've just mentioned. So yeah, do go check them out. There's a special landing page they've created for me that you'll find when you follow that link. Pop your email address in, and you'll also get some special offers. But that brings us to the end of this update. Hope you enjoyed it. December was a fantastic month. I hope your sites are doing well. Let me know in the comments how you've been getting on with your projects. Whatever you want, really. I do read all the comments. I'll try to reply to as many as I possibly can. If you like this video, if you found it useful in any way, please click the like button. It really does help me out. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. And to make sure that you don't miss any future updates, just click that subscribe button. But until next time, bye for now.